Okay, ladies, can we just pause? Deep breath, can we talk about affordable wigs for a second? Like, why is it so hard to find cute, good quality wigs that don't cost a small fortune? Seriously. Well, Grins, guess what? I did the digging for you, and today, I'm sharing 5 must-have wigs you can get under $150. Yep, you heard that right, under 150 bucks. And trust me, these aren't just throw-on-and-pray wigs. These are actually worth it. Oh, and hey, wave slightly if you're new here. Hi, I'm Jennifer Angular, and I make real, honest beauty and hair videos for women who want to look cute without breaking the bank. If that sounds like your vibe, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss anything. Number 1 is a game changer, so don't miss number 1. All the product link in the description. So, if you're looking for best human hair wigs, stick around. I have a $15 off with free shipping discount code, available link in description, or visit cutpromo.com. Let's dive in. Number 5. Long Black Street Rate Hair Wig. Alright, now let me show y'all this wig I found on Amazon. Breathes in with excitement. It's the Hawezu Long Black Straight Hair Wig, and first of all, it's giving. It's giving sleek. It's giving mystery woman at the coffee shop. It's giving I might have a secret, but I'm too classy to tell you. So, it's 22 inches, super straight, and it's synthetic, but wait, not the stiff, shiny kind that screams Halloween. This one actually moves, moves. Moves. Look at this swing. Flips wig gently or shows B-roll of it moving. And I know some people are like, ugh, synthetic. But girl, this one is like $25 on Amazon. $25. I wore it out last weekend and my cousin thought I got a silk press. I was like, nope, sis. Amazon. Now let me be real, it doesn't come pre-plucked or anything, so the hairline is kinda basic. But for a throw-on and go look, I ain't mad. It has adjustable straps, so it fits nice. I did wear a wig cap underneath cause ya girl has a big head, laughs again, but it sat comfy all day. Number 4, natural black wigs for women. Okay, so let me put you on real quick. This right here is the Hanagebia natural black wig with bangs. And y'all, I didn't expect to love this as much as I do. Pulls out the wig, or shows it styled on a mannequin. Head. It's giving soft, effortless. Like that, I woke up late, but still cute vibe. The texture is so natural. Looking it's synthetic. Yeah, but you wouldn't really know unless you're up in it. And the best part? Leans in. It's under 30 bucks. Wait. What? I had to double check the listing because I thought I was reading it wrong. Now look, it's not a lace front, so you're not getting that melted scalp look. But for something with bangs that just throws on easy, girl, it's perfect. No glue, no stress. I wore it to run errands and I felt cute. That low-key cute where you keep checking yourself in the rearview mirror. It's super lightweight too, which I didn't expect. And the bangs? They don't feel itchy or weird like some cheap wigs do. You just adjust them a little and boom, you're good. This one's like that go-to piece for lazy days, Zoom meetings, or when you're trying to look like you got your life together. Even when, let's be real, you don't. Number 3, Black Wavy Synthetic Lace Front Wig. So this right here is the Lowly Deer Black Wavy Synthetic Lace Front Wig Woo. Long name, but listen. It's pre-plucked. It's glueless, and it's giving everything I wanted. Y'all see this wave pattern? What? It's soft, bouncy, doesn't feel like broom hair. And it's under $50, please can we get a moment of silence for this deal? Okay, so let me tell you this is synthetic, but it's one of those good synthetics. Not the shiny, crunchy Halloween store vibe, you know? It moves. It actually moves. And the lace? Girl, it's not like HD level, but for the price? It melts decently, you can make it work with a little powder and patience. Plus, it's glueless, which means I don't have to fight with glue at 8 a.m. on a Monday, and honestly, that's the kind of peace I need in my life. I wore this to brunch last weekend. Yes, I test my wigs at brunch. Laugh sand, my bestie was like, okay, wait. Since when did your hair get that long? And I was like, it's lightweight. It doesn't make my scalp itch, and the hairline doesn't scream fake. This could pass for a really good sew-in from a distance. Nods, I'm not even lying. Number 2, Arabella Glueless Lace Front Wigs. Okay, so let me put y'all on. This right here is the Arabella Glueless Lace Front Wig, and whew, she came ready. Ready. It's glueless. It's pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and that 180% density? Girl, we are not playing. First off, The hair is giving. Luxury on a budget. Like, this doesn't feel like some stiff synthetic mess. It's human hair, silky, has that little body wave that just chef's kiss gives you that effortless look. And because it's glueless, I didn't have to spend 30 minutes fighting with adhesive. I literally popped this on, adjusted the band, and Boomy was like, "Who is she? Look how natural the lace melts, like, you'd really have to be up on me to know this wasn't my hair." And the hairline? It's already pre-plucked, so I didn't have to tweeze a thing. Like, they knew we were tired. And it's breathable too, which is so important, 'cause I get hot easily, like, if my scalp starts sweating, it's game over. But this? It's light, it's secure, and I feel cute. Number 1, Density Glueless Wig Human Hair. Okay, so today we're talking about this baby right here, the Arabella Density Glueless Wig Human Hair. 180% density. Like, it's the one. Period. I mean, look at this movement. She's silky, she's soft, she's giving I woke up like this. But I actually just took it out the box. Y'all, it's human hair, and you can feel it. Like, it's not crunchy, it's not stiff, it's not shiny in a fake way. And because it's glueless, I didn't need to pull out glue, no spray, no melting. Just that adjustable band in the back and boom, you're ready. And you know what? That alone is a win. 'Cause baby, ain't nobody got time for a full install on a Tuesday morning. Let's talk about this hairline, though pre-plucked, pre-bleached. So it already looks like it's growing out of my scalp. I didn't have to tweeze a thing. And the lace? So soft. Like I forgot I was wearing it. That's when you know a wig is good. You forget she's even on. Listen, if you've ever had a wig that was too tight, itchy, sliding back midday, I feel you. This one? It's breathable. It fits just right. And I wore it for like a full day without feeling like I needed to rip it off. That's rare. Sighs happily. So yeah, those are my 5 must-have wigs under $150. And listen, I know the wig world can be crazy overwhelming, especially if you're new to it. But trust me, you don't have to drop $300 to look and feel amazing. These wigs, they've got you covered. Literally. If you've tried any of these or have other faves under $150, drop them in the comments. I want to know. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on those notifs so you catch all my wig reviews, tips, and hauls. All right, thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you in the next one.